Hello, Royal Shadi fam. Are you ready to make a grand entrance on your wedding day? Today, we are diving into the hottest trend of 2025, bold bridal lehengas with long trails. These aren't just lehengas, they're statements of elegance and drama. From sheer fabrics to intricate embroideries, these lehengas are designed to make you feel like royalty. Let's get started with the top 10 styles ruling the bridal fashion scene this year. Weddings are all about creating unforgettable memories. And what better way to do that than with a lehenga that leaves everyone in awe? Long trails are back, and they're bigger and bolder than ever. Whether you are planning a traditional Indian wedding or a modern fusion ceremony, these lehengas are perfect for making a statement. Let's explore the top 10 styles that are trending in 2025. Inspired by designers like Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra, and Anita Dongre. First up, sheer lehengas with long trails. These are perfect for brides who want a modern twist on tradition. The sheer fabric, like organza or net, creates a dreamy flow, and the long trail adds a mesmerizing effect. Imagine walking down the aisle, your trail swaying with every step. It's like a fairy tale. Designers like Sabyasachi are pairing sheer trails with heavy embroidery for that perfect balance of light and luxe. Next, embroidered lehengas with long trails are for brides who love intricate details. Think zari work, sequins, and floral motifs that scream artistry. The long trail amplifies the grandeur, making you look like a queen. Pair it with statement jewelry, like a kundan choker, and you're ready to steal the show. Check out Anita Dongre's collections for some stunning embroidered trails. Velvet is making a huge comeback, and when paired with a long trail, it's pure majesty. The rich texture of velvet, combined with the dramatic length of the trail, creates a luxurious look, perfect for winter weddings. Velvet lehengas in deep jewel tones like emerald or maroon are trending. JJ Valaya's velvet designs are a must-see for this regal vibe. For the modern bride, fusion lehengas with long trails are the way to go. These Indo-Western designs blend traditional elements with contemporary styles, like pairing a lehenga with a crop top or a stylish blouse. The long trail adds drama to this unique look. Designers like Shantanu and Nikhil are leading this trend with their bold fusion creations. Custom-made lehengas with long trails are a massive trend in 2025. Imagine a lehenga with your wedding date or partner's name embroidered on the trail. It's personal and unforgettable. Many designers offer bespoke services to create a one-of-a-kind outfit that tells your love story. Tarun Tahiliani's custom lehengas are a great example of this trend. Pastel lehengas with long trails are perfect for daytime weddings. Soft shades like blush pink, mint green, or lavender create a romantic vibe, and the long trail adds a touch of elegance. Seema Gujral's pastel collections are stealing hearts with their delicate embroidery and flowing trails. Metallic lehengas with long trails are for brides who want to shine. Gold, silver, and rose gold hues, paired with sequins or beadwork, create a dazzling effect. The long trail makes it even more dramatic. Falguni Shane Peacock's metallic designs are perfect for this trend. Cape lehengas with long trails are all about surprise and elegance. The cape adds a modern twist, while the trail enhances the grandeur. This style is ideal for brides who want to stand out. Rahul Mishra's cape lehengas are a fantastic inspiration. Tiered tulle lehengas with long trails are for the princess vibe. The layers of tulle create volume, and the long trail adds a fairy tale touch. Sabyasachi's tulle designs are perfect for brides dreaming of a magical look. Lastly, boho chic lehengas with long trails are for the free-spirited bride. Think floral prints, lace details, and flowing fabrics. The long trail adds drama to this relaxed style. Anju Modi's boho collections are a great place to start. Wow, that was a lot of stunning lehengas. Which one is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And let me know if you need help choosing your wedding outfit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Royal Shadi for more wedding fashion tips.